Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to create scrollable list in Figma. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to create a scroll like this one by using the shapes over here, using the rectangle. And then what we're going to do is you're going to add the things that you would like to have in your list. Now, for today's video, we're going to use a square or a rectangle to represent a list. As you can see here, then we're going to drag it out here. Then we're going to duplicate this, make a long list by duplicating all of this. Just like this. We're going to make a long list until we are over the frame size over here. So we're simply going to fix the sizing over here, the distance, just like this. And then we're going to add another layer, just like this. And then we're going to color this into a different color so that we can see it moving. We're going to change it to color pink. Now we're going to highlight all of this, right click, turn it to a group selection, right click once again, turn it into a frame selection. Then drag it into our frame number 1, just like this. And now we have our frame over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to select our frame, drag it over here so that we have a duplicate. And now what we're going to do is we're going to drag the entire content. We're going to drag the content, drag it all the way to the top. You can see, just like this. And then for our scroll over here, we're going to drag it to the bottom. Just like this. We're going to fix our alignment, just like that. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to go to prototype. We're going to select our scroll over here, drag it to our frame number 2, then we're going to change it to on drag and make sure that it is on smart animate. And then after that, we're going to do the same thing for the scroll for the frame 2, drag it all the way to the frame 1, and do the same thing, click on drag. And then we're going to check out. Let's go preview it. Let's see if we were able to perform the scrolling animation. As you can see here, you will be able to drag it on top and below, just like that. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.